I'm here to give you an update today on Flux on KuCoin. As you can see here, guys, we are setting high points, really quite congruent here in the trend. Not going to keep you guys for too long here because there's a breakout scenario that you guys could definitely be thinking about and obviously doing your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, but yeah, it's something that I'm going to be looking at for personally. As you can see here, guys, rising parallel channel coming through here, looking at actually testing the top side here. You can see the resistance here, very, very strong indeed. We've tested it once, we've tested it twice, 3 times a lady. We might actually break coming through here, guys. If we are going to break, we could be looking at nice, big. It's going to be huge, guys. It's going to be a massive measure move here. Very, very progressive, looking really quite profitable here. And who are we not to profit from it, right? Definitely something to be looking out for, the guys. There is a trap zone as well to be looking out for. I will get to that. We are going to be looking at around a 47% gain there. Really quite progressive. You can see this trap zone, as you can see there, very, very congruent in terms of reversals there. So I wouldn't really be entering until we actually see a nice candle body close above that sort of zone. There may be a bit of consolidation as well, but it's still going to be around a 27.94% gain there, guys. And that's basically lining up perfectly with the all-time high from open, right? I do believe. Yeah, the all-time high there from open. It's going to be very, very crucial reversal points to be looking out for there as well there. So yeah, definitely a gain there in terms of Flux coin there to be looking out for in terms of a breakout, in terms of a nice long position. And also we're going to be above volume weighted ATR band as well. So yeah, it's going to be looking pretty good. What I would say here is also the RSI it's getting ever so close to that to the overbought sort of scenario there, and we don't really want to get there, guys. What do we want to do? We want to actually consolidate for a bit. Once we clear this line, we want to consolidate for a bit, bringing the RSI down, and once that is going to happen there, we're basically going to be looking at a bit more of a healthy breakout scenario, because if we break out now, the RSI is just going to get far too overly extended, and then we're basically going to see mass sell-off, right? We're going to see mass sell-off coming through there, and we're not about that life. We're about nice, calm, and collected trading, not jumping in on FOMO and that sort of stuff coming through there. So yeah, that's pretty much what I would say about Flux coming through that on the daily. Let's jump down to the hourly and see if we can get some sort of some better information, right? More information coming through there. I would say pretty strong trend line coming through there on the hourly in terms of resistance points. That's definitely something to look out for. And also, we've also got these high lows being set as well. Definitely going to be forming some sort of rising wedge chart pattern coming through there, guys. Definitely going to be forming some sort of rising wedge chart pattern coming through. And as we know, rising wedges, they tend to usually break to the downside. So if we do see downwards momentum coming through here and a pullback actually coming into fruition, I would be expecting something along the lines of this, guys. And this is basically going to line up perfectly with the resistance coming through from this zone that we were looking to break out from, right? The resistance coming through from there, and it basically going to be a 13% swing to the downside. This is going to happen. It's not the end of the world because you've got high lows here in terms of horizontals to basically bounce you back up. So yeah, the uptrend isn't going to be invalid, but it just needs a bit of time to relax and chill out for a bit, right? But yeah, definitely a couple of things to be looking out for there for KuCoin there. Oh, brilliant. All my alerts are going off for this. For something amazing. So yeah, as you can see, definitely something to be looking out for there for the future there for Flux. Jumping down to the 15-minute, we have actually seen obviously this low point get hit around this 0.63 there as well. But to be honest with you, I would be looking for that breakout to the downside and also that breakout to the upside to be thinking about across the board there. But yeah, that is going to be your Flux update coming through.